dear creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly line the inside of your fascinator. So let's say you have this fascinator that the inside is not looking too good and you just want to come up with a neat finishing. Lining your fascinator is one way that you can achieve your neat finishing. And one thing you want to do is, hello dear creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adiola, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to properly line your fascinator base. So let's say you have this fascinator that the inside is not looking too good. Lining it is a good way to achieve your good finish, your neat finishing. And I have this fascinator cap right here. If you are not yet familiar with how I created this butterflies and this base right here, you can just check my previous videos so that you can watch how I made them from scratch. So the inside is not looking good and we cannot leave this like this. We have to cover it, and I have my piece of fabric right here. One thing you want to do is to first of all measure the inside part of your fascinator from the midpoint. So you measure from here all the way down. So whatever you get will be the width of your fabric. So I have my measuring tape right here, and from the middle part you can just measure it all the way down, and I have 4.5 inches. So that should be 4.5. So you mark 4.5 on your fabric, all the way down. Then I'm going to cut off this excess. Okay, so this is my 4.5, and the length of this fabric is 28 inches. So I have my needle and thread right here, which I'm going to pleat from the edge. So one thing you want to do is you fold. You can fold this a little and you can leave it like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pleat it all the way down until I get to the end. So this is what I have right here. So if I turn this inside out, this is what I'm going to get. So now it's time for us to attach to the fascinator base. So I apply some glue in the middle, and then I place this in between and I spread it out, and then I press it down. Hold it in place to ensure that it's properly glued before you let go. And when the middle is totally glued, the next thing you want to ensure that you apply some glue to the corner, and then you press it down. Ensure that it's sitting properly. So you repeat this process all the way till you are done, ensuring that the lining touches the whole edges. So you repeat the same process, apply some glue, spread out your lining, and then you ensure that it sits into that nice corner right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the remaining parts, and I'll get back. Now that I have covered up all the edges, I can now cover up the sides. So I apply my glue and I just glue the sides like so, all the way round. So this is what I have right here. Can you see how neat it looks? So by the time you attach your lining into the middle, you just cover up the edges here with your ribbon, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share with family and friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button for fresh and spanking new tutorials.